On the main menu, our training module, as I mentioned, is in two aspects: the scheduled training or in-service training. Scheduled training is managed through the training module itself. We have lots of templates that you can use. This is not curriculum, it's just for record keeping. So it's just for you to be able to categorize how the training looks, what types of buckets it falls into, what standards it meets, just a place for you to be able to record all of that information. And then you can schedule it here. So if we needed to schedule this class, maybe for next week, it's going to be an hour long, or you could put a start time and time. We can also assign it to a particular group, or maybe all the EMTs have to take it. Then anyone with that EMT title is able to be grabbed as well. And then once we've filled out all the required pieces, we just close it. And it's going to be available in the information console. We're able to see that training, that it's been assigned to particular people and when it's scheduled for. We can open it from here. Once everything's done, we just insert it into the employee records. That finalizes it right there. And it's going to go to that training tab that we saw in the employee record as the final view. In the main menu, we've got that in-service. So for training that you don't schedule ahead of time, they just know they need to do it. And so when they get it done, they can post it through the in-service. A lot of departments will either make this their go-to, this is what they use all the time, or they'll make this the captain specific way of posting. So the training officer kind of uses the training module, and then the captains will post whatever they did on the side through this feature. It really is up to the department how you do it. Every department is a hodgepodge on how they use these features. For the in-service, we've got two options here. We can say it's standards-based, which is going to pick from the training module, and you can control what shows up from the training module in this list. Or you can say it's general, which means it's not related to anything standards-based or anything. You just want to say that you did it, and then you could pick from that. The difference here is that this is actually maintained through the activity tracker, and that's where, again, it doesn't matter how you record it, because in the end, everything's going to get finalized to the employee record, and that's where you're printing your actual report from.